Hello, everyone. Today we are at Lockridge Furnace Park in Albertus, PA. And the reason we are here is because I've been trying to hunt down some of the Catasauqua and Fogelsville ore spurs that ran through the area. They had mines in the area where hematite and I believe magnetite were mined and brought to Lockridge Furnace right here, where they were turned into pig iron. And I just wanted to take a look at the trestles they have here, the ore trestles. There's 5 sets that are in pretty good shape. And I thought we'd go take a look at those real quick. So let's go for a walk. If I read correctly, the furnaces were built in 1868 and I believe functioned until 1921. So that's a pretty good run. If I'm wrong about that, I'll post it in the description. You can see some remains of steel up there that went across these trestles. These were either for ore or for anthracite. There was also a narrow gauge railway on the property at one time, I believe, to haul away the slag. You can still see some of the iron sticking out of the top. This place is remarkable with all the stonework. The shot of the furnace there. These 2 trestles I really find interesting, because it appears they would have gone right into the furnace, which almost has a church look to it from this angle with those windows. But how neat is that? Of course, there's spray paint here. Unfortunately, it happens. There's a lot of information online. I wouldn't do it any justice to try and tell you the history of this place, because I would just be jumbling over words and dates most likely. But Lockridge Furnace, Albertus, PA. If you Google it, all kinds of stuff comes up. Another trestle here. I was here with my grandson yesterday, and we kind of went off the beaten path. But not really. It's somewhere where other people have been quite a few times, but we actually found railroad ties on the railroad bed. So I'm going to make a video about that in a little while. I wanted to go explore a little further because the trail was getting a little rough for my grandson. So I figured I'd come back and do it alone today. But yeah, these are the ore trestles for Lockridge Furnace. We'll take a walk above real quick and get you a shot from there. To our left here, under this bridge, actually would have been the main line for the Catasauqua and Fogelsville ore spur. Still see there's track down there and a little ore car on display. I have a feeling that track and ore car were probably put here when the park was built, but I could be wrong. Very beautiful area. So all this would have been some sort of yard that would have led to all these different trestles right here. So there's the trestles from above. Trestle from above. The building off to the right, I believe, was a tool shed. They also had an engine house on property. They had 3 engines that were here permanently, I believe it was, if I read correctly. But it's a great park, so I'm gonna go see what else we can find here, and I'll see you in the next one.